Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am your Deepthi ma'am. Today we will learn about a new concept, that is narrow and wide. Which concept? Narrow and wide.
Wide.
Narrow.
So, what is narrow? Narrow means something that is not wide or broad. This is the example, and this is a path. This is a narrow path. This is a narrow path. Okay. What is wide? What is wide? Wide means something that is broad or has a large distance from one side to the other. This is the example. This is a river. Wide river. What is this? This is a wide river. Okay. I will show you some examples of wide and narrow. What are these? These are doors. These are doors. And this door is wide. And this door is wide. And this door is narrow. Wide, narrow. Wide, narrow. Okay? What are these? These are trees. These are trees. And this tree is wide. This tree is wide. And this one is narrow. This one is narrow. What are these? These are lamp. And this lamp is wide. This lamp is wide. And this one is narrow. This one is narrow. And what are these? These are roads. These are roads. This road is wide. This road is wide. And this one is narrow. This one is narrow. Very good, children. What are these? These are paintbrushes. And this paintbrush is wide. This paintbrush is wide. And this one is narrow. This one is narrow. What are these? These are wells. And this well is wide. This well is wide. And this one narrow. This well is narrow.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
It's quiz time. Tick the narrow and cross the wide objects. This hat is narrow. Tick. And this one is wide. Cross. This door is narrow. And this door is wide. This pencil is narrow or wide? Wide. Very good. And this pencil is narrow. And this lamp is wide. And this lamp is narrow. This pot is narrow. And this pot is wide. This log is narrow. And this log is wide.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
Wide, narrow. Wide, narrow.
I hope you all are enjoying this video. See you next class. Bye bye children.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share, and subscribe Udayan Kids.